will
Sure.
say there's a few things for feedback. One, I have a white labeled mobile app that there's like no training on. Or like not no training on. It's not your fault. There is training. There's thousands of trainings. But what I'm saying is like I don't hear anything about it from the HL Pro Tool side, and anytime I have asked somebody for it, they're like not well familiar with the mobile app side. Like, I asked, why is my calendar popping up? Like, why is there something on every hour of the calendar? Shit, it's not loading now, but it usually is. There's something there. It's just hard for you guys to give support on something that you can't see. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, and I need a lot of support here because I'm like, how? I took this marketing call that was on my calendar off my calendar and it's still linked there. Do I have to disable the app and turn it back on or what?
Mm.
So little things like that. That's one piece of feedback. And then two, um, and I don't know if you can do anything about it. And if not, it's fine. I'm just giving you my thoughts.